Would you like to come in?
Oh, no, it's way too late. Okay.
I see the tables have turned. What are you doing?
Oh boy! It's way past my bedtime!
Call me mistress, you disgusting little worm.
Okay, sometimes being single could be a pain in the... But a few years ago, my friends and I made this bet.
Come on, guys, what do you say? Tomcat's bet. The last single man gets the whole pot.
And you're out if you go gay, Gary.
All right, Gary's out.
And I really need the money.
I'm letting it ride, all of it!
You owe us $51,000. Plus the minibar.
Now the only way for me to settle up is to get the last standing Tomcat.
Oh, yeah, baby!
To settle down.
Dude, we just ran over your girlfriend. Hey, do not say that word.
Luckily, I've got a secret weapon.
Foxy lady.
You were gonna have to marry Kyle within 30 days.
I'm never getting married, right, honey?
Won't be a problem.
I mean, how bad could this guy be?
I can't believe I've done this. I delivered Natalie right into the devil's lair.
From Revolution Studios
My dad's company invented this new drug. It's better than Viagra.
comes a comedy
This is the best wine ever.
about just how hard it can be.
We're all very excited to be here today. Clearly.
To stay single.
Let's swap some bodily fluids, baby.
This spring break,
You are not falling in love with this girl.
the last cat standing gets the kitty.
You were gonna have sex with the first woman you see. The first woman you see. Hi. Excuse me. Second woman you see.
Tomcats.
Fantastic. You're like a big bad dominator. Come on, show me what you got.
Here's Grammy.